Prepare to be blown away by the most epic revelation of the year. A phenomenon has taken the world by storm, and it's none other than ChatGPT. This mind-blowing tool was launched on the 30th of November 2022, and now it boasts over 100 million users. Can you imagine that? And that's not all. A staggering 13% of these users log in daily, indulge in its sheer brilliance. The forecasted revenue for ChatGPT is expected to reach an incredible 200 million by the end of 2023, and a jaw-dropping 1 billion by the end of 2024. Yes, 1 billion. But the growth of ChatGPT doesn't end there. In December 2022, there were only 1 million users. Just a month later, in January 2023, there were over 57 million users. And in February, the number soared to over 100 million users. Clearly, people can't get enough of this amazing tool. And that's why, in this video, we're going to take it up a notch and teach you how to master ChatGPT in 4 minutes. But first, let's talk about its limitations. While the free version is still remarkable, it only offers a limited number of prompts per hour. Sometimes the responses may not be reliable and could be biased, and it's not up to date with current trends or updated information beyond 2021. But enough of that, let's dive deep into what ChatGPT can do. The next 2 minutes of this video are going to be the most exhilarating 2 minutes of your life. We're going to show you how to unlock the full potential of this amazing tool and take your experience to a whole new level. Are you ready to have your mind blown? It's time to unleash the power of ChatGPT and enjoy this epic ride.